Okay, so this is our login view model. So where we have our login form that has account number and PIN. So I change this one to Zenith Bank ATM and another heading paragraph secure banking. So what next? What view do we need to create again after login view? Let's create our ATM dashboard view. So copy this dashboard title. Come here. So it's inside the view is inside ATM folder and yeah, inside ATM folder. So come here, the same, add the folder under the view. Where's the add folder? New folder, call it was ATM. Then inside ATM, we add what's a view. Sorry, not a controller. We add a view. Add a view. So we add it here and we replace this one to what's dashboard.chtml and save. Don't forget you have to clear all this. After this, you copy all this in from here. Just copy it, copy everything here. So this is our dashboard view. Copy everything from here. ATM dashboard. Okay, so I've copied everything from here. I'll just paste it so to show an error too because of this non-ATM. My own listing is Zenith Bank ATM. That is the name of my folder, name of my solution. You can see Zenith Bank ATM. So I save it. So what next do we need to create a withdrawal view still inside ATM folder? Come here, right click, add view, then add again, then come here and enter reduce our withdrawal view. You clear all this thing, you come here, you copy this folder, copy everything here and paste it here. Change this one to Zenith Bank, that's what I need to reference. So the error will go away. So we go again, what view do we need? Deposit view. The same way. So these are deposits view. Come here, stay under what folder? Under ATM folder. Come here, add view. Then we have your add. Change this one, replace this one, deposits, and click on add. So once click on add, you clear all this and come back here, copy all everything here. Then you paste it. Don't forget you need to change this one to Zenith Bank or the title of your solution on your Visual Studio. So I save my work. So what view do we need again? Let's go. So we need our transfer view. You can see it's much. Come here. What folder? Inside ATM folder. Add view the same way. .chtml, then save. Then you clear this now. So what do we have? Copy all this thing here. Come back here, you paste it here. Change this one to what's the title of your solution file on the Zenith Bank ATM here. So you save. So what do you have here? What view do we need to create again? Is that all or we need to create more? Let's see, these are transfer view. So we have our transaction view. Wow. So what folder? Under ATM folder. Open, add, view, add, and replace. You can see how easy it is. So you click on add, just make sure you're understanding what you are doing. Then you come here, click on copy, come here and paste it. So these are our transaction view. Don't forget, change this one to what you have as your title of your solution file. So that is all. So let's see what do we have next. So you can see the simple steps I'm taking in order to build a proper ATM machine, and I'm using AI as a guidance to write all my code. So like I say, you don't need to be a guru or an expert in coding, but once you have an idea of what you want to do, you can use AI to generate and create a nice and beautiful web application. So what next do we need here? our layout. So we have to go to our layout. Do we have layout view? Yeah, we have our layout. It's under view, under shared. Okay, so it's under shared, but we don't have our layout view. So we have to underscore layout, come here, under the shared, you can see the shared, add view, add, then what do we have here? You change this one, so we have underscore dot, this ACHTML. Okay, file name already is there. I was looking for it. I think there's a file name that exists. Where is that file name? I think it's somewhere. Okay. Oh, I didn't open this folder. So this is where it was. Yeah, I know we have it. So underscore layout.chtml. So this is what we have here. So what do we need? So let's come back here. I only need all these things. So let me copy all this thing and paste in my work. Come here, remove all this thing. We don't need it. But this is what's, we don't need all this thing. Just paste this one that we have here. Yeah, so these are layouts. So this will bind all the views that we have here. These are layouts. So you can see these are JavaScript and at render body. So let's go further. What do we need again? CSS file. So let's start to beautify our views. So what is under www root CS folder? So let's see if we have that folder. We call it www root. You can see we have a CSS folder. We have a site.cs. So yes, so move all this one, replace it with what we have here. Everything we have here, we're going to replace it. So come here and paste it and save your work. So what next do we need? Do we need anything again? Let's see. Let's watch. I think we need a JavaScript, but I don't know. Okay. So now we have finished with creating our model, creating our view, creating our controller, and also we have created our application DB context. So now let's now migrate. Let's now add migration that we add every of our table into the database. So this is the first what do you call it, code I'm going to run. Add migration, initial create. You come here, come to tools, come to NuGet package manager, come to package manager console and paste it here, add migration. So this will automatically add the table to the database. So it's adding now. So I can see it's showing build started. Please pay attention. You can see it's showing build started. I think I need to increase my work. 35. Okay, so build succeeded. So what do we have here? So it has created our two tables, which is our account tables. These are the properties of the table, and the second table is transaction table, and these are the properties, and this is our drop table SQL script. So what do we do next? Next thing we need to do, we need to update the database so that it will be persistent, so that it will save automatically to the table. So you can come back here and paste it and enter. So automatically it will build, and let's see what happens. So it's building, it's adding, so you can see done. So what do we have next? So let's see. Okay, so what next after updating our database? So we're going to run our application. Let's see how our table or how our design look like, how our UI look like. So just click on this start button. Automatically it will take you to the home page. I didn't design the home page, so let's quickly navigate to the account stroke login URL page. Once I click on enter, so you can see we have Zenith Bank ATM, secure banking, we have account number, we have PIN. So this is a demo account. So you can see, let me start with the first one. The first one is this demo account. Put it here, copy the PIN. Let me put a wrong PIN. Let me see what it will tell me. Let me put 6 and try to log in. So you can say invalid account number. Let me now put the right PIN and click on login. So you can see and save. So you can see we have Noni ATM. I would have changed this in on the ATM to Zenith Bank. So we are welcome back Stanley, account bank, available balance 250,000. So we have the withdrawal section, we have the deposit section, we have the transfer section, we have the transaction section. So let's go further. Let's withdraw money. Click on withdraw. How much do you want to withdraw? Let's withdraw 50,000 naira and click on confirm withdrawal. So automatically it will show 50,000 naira withdrawn successfully. So you can see the available balance has reduced. Let's go to deposit. Deposit, come here. And deposit 100,000. Click on confirm deposit. So you can see 100,000 deposited successfully. So we have 300,000 as our available balance. So let's go to transfer money. So let's copy an account number we need to transfer to. Let me paste it here. Let me try to transfer to the second account number. Let me transfer 100,000 to, and click on description. Let me say for food and water, and let me click on send money. So automatically 100,000 transfer successfully. So now let me now click on transactions. Transaction will now give us every of our transaction, our view. That is a view of every transaction, both deposit, both withdrawal, both transfer. So you can see how a proper mobile, what do you call it, banking application look like. You can see very simple. With AI you can design this amazing design. You can design amazing design with AI. So let's go to our dashboard back. So you can see our dashboard. Welcome back Stanley. Available balance 200,000, withdrawal, deposit, transaction, and transfer. So how do you see this, guys? This is so beautiful. So with AI you can design, you can build a web application. I just built a web banking application. This is what I just built. You can say very easy. You don't need to stress yourself. Like I say, you don't need to be an expert for you to succeed in coding. AI is already there to guide you. AI is there to implement. AI is already there to guide you. But you have to understand what you are doing. If you don't understand what you are doing, you're not able to achieve what I did here. So you can see it's very simple. If you have been following all my videos from beginning to end on my YouTube, you find this thing very easy. You can see the layout, you can see the colors, you can see that these colors here you are seeing there, this beautiful design is being designed by myself. I'm a front-end developer, so I can call myself a front-end developer. You can see, as I always tell my students, please ensure you understand a back-end development. Because once you understand a back-end development, front-end to design, to implement layout, colors will be very easy for you. You can use AI to do that. So if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube, please go to my YouTube channel, follow my subscribe, and make sure you comment. Make sure you comment on this video and tell me the application you want me to build next, and we'll build it together. This application was built under what? 45 minutes. So I'll be teaching C# coding for kids. Registration fee is 50,000 naira. Please, I will put the link on this comment section. Ensure you prepare your child for the future. Make sure you register. And if you want a one-on-one class with me, you can also give me a DM or put it in the comment section. So see you in the next application I'm going to build. Have a wonderful day. Bye.